The Duke, who has been dubbed Air Miles Andy for his love of luxury travel, is under fire for flying his chopper for the official engagements when he could have simply traveled by car. Last Thursday, the royal had breakfast at the Royal Lodge before flying in the helicopter to officially open the headquarters of the pharmaceutical company Bayer in Reading. The first journey to Reading was just 21 miles, and the following journey by helicopter was 19 miles, which was to Didcot in Oxfordshire, where he visited the new space showcase, a gateway to the UK space sector. A statement on the Duke of York's website said, His Royal Highness had an opportunity to talk with the UK leadership team about the scope of Bayer's work and the advances being made in the field of life sciences. A chauffeur then took the prince to his next engagement at the technology firm Williams Advanced Engineering in Wantage. The same car then took him to a business school in Wootton, where he visited an initiative to support entrepreneurs' business ideas. The Queen's son also took a chauffeur-driven car to take him to an airfield to fly the 54 miles back to his Windsor house. He returned home to Windsor by helicopter, despite the fact that this journey would have been just 1 hour by road. The Duke of York holds the rank of Commander in the Royal Navy, where he served as a helicopter pilot and even served during the Falklands War. Duncan Simpson, of the Taxpayers Alliance, said to the Mail Online, "There is a balance to be struck between convenience and excess, and on this occasion, the Duke of York has failed to recognize that distinction." A Buckingham Palace spokeswoman said the Duke of York undertook a busy full program of engagements across 4 locations, opening the new UK headquarters of the global healthcare enterprise Bayer in Reading, a £13 million investment in the UK, visiting Harwell campus in Didcot to attend an event celebrating the success of the Harwell Space Cluster. As patron, HRH has played a significant role in the growth of the cluster and of the campus as a whole. Presenting Williams Engineering with their Queen's Award for Innovation in Wantage. Visiting Peking University HSBC Business School in Wootton, the first Chinese university site in the UK. Royal travel make decisions on a number of factors, including effective use of time, security and minimizing the impact on others, with the day's travel ensuring the Duke's full schedule could be delivered. The news comes in the same week the Queen travelled to Cheshire with Meghan Markle on the royal train, and Prince Andrew's brother Edward took a £10,000 trip on a private jet for engagements.